This brief video is going to give you some directions on how to use skip logic or branching questions on your survey. What you see on the screen is a most simplistic form of branching where question 1 asks a yes or no question, and for those that say yes, they answer follow-up question 2 and 3 before circling back to question number 4. For those that said no to question 1, they will go directly to question number 4. So let me show you how that works on Question Pro. So this is a typical Question Pro survey you see. And notice here with question 7, or I'm sorry, question 8, it asks if you watch Major League Baseball on TV with a yes or no response option. For people that do watch Major League Baseball on TV, I'd like to ask them which their favorite baseball team is as a follow-up question. Of course, the only choices are the San Francisco Giants. So let me show you how we do that skip logic approach. Let me back up. So what we do is when we're on question 8 here about Major League Baseball on TV, I go over to the right and select the logic link, and it'll bring up a new screen. It shows the question, do you watch Major League Baseball on TV? And the answer options are highlighted below. If people respond yes, that they watch Major League Baseball on TV, I'd like to follow up with a question of which is your favorite baseball team. For those that said no, I will use the drop-down menu and have them proceed directly to the following question, which is a new topic, and then I say save question logic. Once I save the question logic, I will then have set up in Question Pro that for people that said yes to this question, they will automatically go to question 4, and you see it noted here on Question Pro indicating that that's what we're doing. For those that said no, it'll jump down to question number 2, asking them to rank order the following items here about what's their things of order of interest of these different activities. Don't be thrown by the question numbering a little bit out of order here with question 8 and then 4. That's just the way Question Pro has these set up in the order that I put the questions into the survey. So that shows how we do the most simplistic form of skip branching questions on Question Pro. In Microsoft Word, we would use a very similar approach, except we aren't using the Question Pro logic. This is what it would look like on a Microsoft Word or a paper and pencil survey. You ask someone if they're a Chico State student. If they say yes, you give them the directions immediately after the response choice, telling them to go to question 2. If they say no, proceed to question 4, and then subjects would have to find question 4 in the survey. For those that are Chico State students, they would answer questions 2 and then 3 and then continue on with question 4 when everyone would be back together.